suspect that the shower is leaking in the plumbing. I'm running it right now for a little bit. I got to replicate the leak. Waiting to see if it is. Then we'll go down and check it. If it is, then I'll do I'll tell him that I got to cut the ceiling and get into them pipes.
Not the first time.
She hasn't ran back up yet, so.
Yeah, I guess she's waiting to see a one.
But I definitely have to replicate it and see it happen before we go on.
Yeah.
Which you guys haven't done this in a while, I take it.
No.
How long has this been? Since you ran the shower?
Since the last week, it's been at least a week and a half, 2 weeks.
Since you last did this test?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I would say that's plenty.
It might take a second to trickle down.
Maybe, but that should be plenty of water in the system.
Yeah.
So let's go down and see. She's not running up here, so I don't know what's really happening. If it's really a serious problem, it should have already come through.
Yeah, it should. Should have. Nothing yet?
Nothing yet, huh? Well,
It always takes a second.
does it?
Mm.
How long a second?
Well, her showers are like 30 minutes.
Huh?
Her showers are about 30 minutes long. So within that time period.
When was this leaking last?
I
when
said
did,
like 2 weeks
2 weeks ago that you last took the shower, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mine should be just like the dishwasher. It always takes until it's about to wash.
All right. Get your replacement handle.
Okay.
Nothing is malfunctioning otherwise, right?
No.
No
toilet
hissing,
stays in the same
nothing
thing.
else.
No, it doesn't really hiss or anything like that unless there's an improper seal of the flange there.
I'm asking, does it ever do it?
Yeah, it does
That
from
looks
time to time.
that
Yeah.
looks kind of rough. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah, it does from time to time.
From time to time.
Yeah.
So we might just replace that because it's looking a little rough. Might as well get it all done so I don't have to come back for that.
Yeah.
Need to run to make it start going.
Shower.
Where?
On this first floor.
Go ahead, do it. I want to see it. I see the little drip, but I just want to see how much and if it's anywhere else too. I'm going to look around. Okay, so we just have a faulty little joint there. She's gonna have to put a new connector on there. We can do that. It's not that big. It's not really even that bad yet. Just a real just a pinhole. But yeah. Just look around, see if any other pipes are bad anywhere. So this is from the shower. Oh, got some there. That's corroded and it's leaking there too. About the same shower line. Looks like they had some really bad solder joints. Okay, you turn it off. I see everything. Yeah, you got a couple leaks, not just that one. I'll show you also. I might have to, huh? You got another one over here I'm going to show you on the same line.
Oh, good. We caught that.
Right here, look. See, that's all corroded. It's all rusting out.
Yeah.
Or from something. I think that strap is causing it to rust, so now it's leaking there. I just got a bunch of water off of it. Okay. So that's bad too. These are things that he'll want me to for sure fix, because we can't have leaks going on. That's causes problems. I'm just looking around, make sure I didn't see any other ones in the system itself. Well, my eyes are very good for this. This is what I do, as you know. Well, you've never really seen some of the work I do. If you don't follow my YouTube channel, then you'll really see some stuff. I really get involved in some serious stuff. Serious plumbing.
It's a dirty job, but somebody's got to do it.
You're right. I do more plumbing than anything. I do a lot less electrical and a lot more plumbing, even though my electrical is my degree.
What about this pipe is just here? Guys, no.
Huh?
This pipe is just here. It's not even connected to it.
Yeah, I don't know. It's dumb. Somebody cut it and just left it.
It looks like it was somebody's workout pipe at some point.
I doubt that. That ain't gonna hold.
Some kind of channel.
You got a lot of bad piping going here. All of it's corroding. But we're not gonna worry about it just yet if it ain't leaking. I'm just gonna catch the leak parts. I'm just looking at all of it because it's all in bad shape, really. And the solder joints are not the best.
At some point, they got to replace this asbestos piping because all the cracks and all this stuff in it.
Asbestos pipes.
That's what Chris said it was. It's
oh, really?
Like sealed pipes went asbestos.
Damn. That's messed up.
Yeah, that's why it's sealed like that.
Okay. All right. Well, everything else, and then you got this valve here is broke off. But if it's not influencing nothing, I'm not going to worry about it unless Chris specifically wants it fixed. And other than that, I think we've got a pretty good overview of the pipes down here. So 2 breaks, 2 leaks.
Nice Dragon Ball Z notification.
Huh?
Is that a Dragon Ball Z notification?
No, that's my Star Wars lightsaber.
Oh.
Yeah. Most of my texts are lightsabers.